Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Tara with Simply Made Eats, and today we are making this yummy, creamy balsamic dressing. It is so tasty, and we're also gonna pair it with my favorite spring/summer salad. It's so good. Both of these recipes take less than 5 minutes to make, so let's get started. So for our salad dressing, we're either gonna wanna use an immersion blender like this, or you can use a food processor or a blender. It just makes the most creamy, delicious dressing, so you really wanna have something to blend it up. Okay, so for our creamy balsamic dressing, we're gonna add in some olive oil. My dog always chooses to walk around as soon as I get on the video. We also have some balsamic vinegar. And for measurements, you guys can always check out the description. I always link my actual blog post, which has everything broken down. We also have a tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. This is what's gonna make it really nice and creamy. And if you don't eat mayonnaise, you can try substituting with a Greek yogurt. I also have a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, and about 1/8 of a teaspoon of crushed black pepper. Can't talk today. And I also have 1 clove of garlic. Now I'm just gonna make sure everything's pushed down in there. Put your immersion blender down in there like this, and we are gonna blend it. And this is nice because it makes about a cup of dressing, maybe even a little bit more. That way you can stick the leftovers right in the fridge and use it for up to a week. And you can see how creamy it gets with the mayo, and just using that immersion blender really makes a huge difference. Okay, so now I'm just gonna stick a lid on this and stick it in the fridge. I really like to refrigerate this for about 30 minutes before I actually serve it. So we're gonna put this in the fridge and then we'll get our salad prepped. This is definitely one of my go-to spring and summer salads. I love it because it has some berries in it. So the first thing we're gonna do is just cut up a few strawberries. And I'm just making myself a salad today, so I'm just doing a really small batch. We're gonna cut these up, and I'm just gonna you can do slices or you can chop them into cubes. Really, it just anything goes with the salad. I'm using strawberries and blueberries, but you can definitely use blackberries, or you can use raspberries, any kind of berries that you like. Okay, so next I just have a few walnuts. It's about a 1/4 of a cup. And I'm just gonna give these a really rough chop. Another good thing in this recipe, if you wanna save time and not have to cut anything, is to buy those, they're like glazed nuts. You can use almonds or walnuts, pecans. This gives you a little extra protein, and it's really delicious in the salad too. Okay, so for our salad, I'm just adding in a few handfuls of arugula. You can use any kind of lettuce here. Mixed greens is delicious, or baby spinach. I use those a lot too. Then I'm gonna add in some feta cheese. I really like feta, so I like to add a lot of it. I'm gonna add in some blueberries. Our pecans. And then I'm just gonna add in our strawberries. This would also be a really good salad to serve for like a brunch or any kind of lunch really. You can bring it to a picnic. It looks super pretty, super spring or summerish. And then we're just gonna pour on some of this delicious, creamy balsamic dressing that we just made. Oh my gosh, so good. I know this is a salad for one. I'm like totally known for making giant salads, and I always eat the whole thing. It's horrible, but they're so good. I feel like it's like a guilty pleasure, but it's a salad, so it can't be that bad for you. That's it. We're all done with this easy, creamy balsamic dressing. It's so delicious. and our summer salad. Let me know in the comments if you decided to make it. This one is so delicious. Make sure to subscribe so we can keep cooking together. I love making easy recipes to help simplify your life. Thanks so much for being here, and I will see you next time.